All right, what's going on, everyone? Wilson here, and this segment is about lighting recommendations. Now, I'm going to have some links set down below to some lighting that I've personally used that I have and I would recommend. Now, again, I just want to stress that even though you may have the equipment or you may have the lights that come in, or you may purchase those lights, you've really got to understand lighting in terms of where are you putting it, how are you using it, and what you actually want to get out of that scene. So I would recommend, if it's something that you're really interested in mastering, or having someone help you with, the first 6 people to sign up from the summit will get a special pricing on our director's package. And that really will, what we can take you from all the way from the beginning, technical side, do an audit of your equipment, go over your plan, really see what you're going, what you're going to, or where you're looking to get to, and then come up with a plan for you. We'll do everything from lighting, setting, set design, helping you out with that, all the way to like a test shoot. So if that's something you're interested, the first 6 people will get a discount at $2,000 for up to 5 Zoom classes, 5 Zoom meetings. But again, we're just going to work with you until you're ready to go. There's no time limit on them. It just really just comes out to that. We want to make sure that you know what you're doing, have the technical knowledge, and then really see what you really want to see in front of the camera for either your live stream or your video on demand. If that is of interest, click on the link below. After that, it's gonna go up to 3,000. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Talk soon.